Location: Richmond, BC, Canada. We're taking an old house with outdated hydronic heating through a major upgrade. Previously equipped with unsafe gray pipes, this heating system was due for a change. Introducing the new solution. A whole house heat pump system with two 36,000 BTU units for the living room and kitchen. Each is now equipped with an 18,000 BTU indoor unit. Upstairs, the bedrooms are each upgraded with a 9,000 BTU unit for optimal comfort. End of the installation process. The installation is complete. All units are in place and ready for a more efficient, safer heating experience. Watch as we turn on the heat pump for the first time, bringing efficient heating to this home. This upgrade is supported by a significant incentive, a combined federal and provincial rebate of $11,000.